Hi, this is an advertisement video, and in that advertisement I promote myself. I am my own sponsor. So this video, it's about oil painting, and especially about to teach oil painting. So if you are a student, if you like to improve your skills, watch this video till the end, and I find you again at the end of the video. Okay, to the point of this video. If you are beginner artist or advanced artist and you want to improve yourself in oil painting medium. I am teacher, I always work on oil painting. I have made many exhibitions, I have had many students. You can check on my website, ricardo.casal.com, the link is down below, and you will learn a lot from me. This video is to tell you if you are living in Mactan Island or in Cebu City, it's perfect for you. I'm the guy you need. But I cannot open one workshop in Cebu City and one workshop in Mactan. So my students, they organize a workshop together. So it's 3, 4, 5 students, maximum 5. They find a house and they gather together there. And I used to go to their place and I teach them there. And it's much easy and much comfortable for everyone because prices are low. Sorry for interrupting that program, but I have something very important to tell you. I need your help. How and why? How is just going to YouTube and liking that video. That helps me and will help all other students, all other people who want to get involved in art. So please, I'm relying on you for that, just a small click on the like. Go back now to my explanation. Thanks for following me. If you are interested by the idea to organize one workshop in Cebu City, feel free to do it. Okay, it's up to you to find a place, to find your friends and to organize one workshop with 3, 4, 5 maximum students. Now, if you are living in Mactan Island, that is much more easy, much more relaxed. If you are 1 or 2 students, 2 students maximum in my place, I can receive you, I can teach you. If you are more than 2, again, it's up to you to find a workshop and to gather together those people to organize the sessions, and I will go to your place to teach you. Feel free to ask me questions about the proposal I just made now. And also, if you have any kind of question about techniques, send me a text, a comment, and I will answer through one video or by writing back to you. So please share this video to your friends and to all the art lovers. Okay, I think everything is clear. If not, you have the opportunity to talk to me. Till then, till we meet, keep painting, never give up, be safe. See you soon.